Thank you, Mike. 10 degrees, 7:33. Good morning, everyone. A men's alcohol and drug recovery center in Calgary has had its plans for expansion put on hold now. The 1835 Recovery Acres Society is ready to build a new center and use their old building to expand services to include treatment for women, but the society has been left in financial limbo. The former Tory government in Alberta had promised to give the center $7 million toward its expansion, but with a change of government, they're now waiting for word of funding from the NDP. Time is of the essence here. Permits for the new building expire in November.
We are really, shovel ready to make this process come together. And in these economic times, we've had discussions with the Calgary Police Service that people don't handle these economic times well. The bankruptcy rates go up, the divorce rates go up, the suicide rates go up. So we really need to be able to offer these very essential services to those in Calgary who are suffering.
Helping people deal with addictions mean you're not going to be putting people in jail on the streets. You're not going to be having people end up in our hospitals and other institutions. I think the government will get it. If there's an issue, it'll be more around when the timing occurs and how to do that, because the government is faced with a significant deficit. But I do know they're going to be sympathetic to this program, and I'm optimistic that they'll support it.
As you could hear, former Mayor Al Duerr, a big supporter of 1835. Over the past 42 years, the Recovery Centre has helped about 13,000 men in the city of Calgary. Researchers working at Canada's National Laboratory in Winnipeg have developed an effective Ebola vaccine. An international team of researchers is reporting the vaccine induces a quick and highly protective response. This is good news. It is the first time an experimental Ebola vaccine has been shown to protect people against the disease, which of course recently sparked a global public health emergency in West Africa about 12 months ago. Well, it turns out the province of Alberta, right here at home, is home to some rather unique baby names.
There's a baby in the province named Thunderboy, one named Innocent, Huckleberry.
That's Services Minister Darren Billis sharing just some of the creative names parents have come up with over the past 12 months or so. He also presented the list of the most popular baby names, and the usual favorites continue to top the list. Liam, #1 for boys for the third straight year, by the way. Olivia, the most popular girl's name in Alberta. 2014 also proving to be the busiest year on record for hospital room deliveries.
This year, we broke the record as far as babies in Alberta. Over 55,000 babies in 2014 were born. The last time we've come anywhere near that was in 1983.
Breakdown, by the way, 28,000 boys, give or take 27,000 girls. Darren Billis admits more babies means more stress on an already taxed child care system. He says his NDP government is planning to address that in fall.